Today's video, we're going to test Sublistar easy-to-peel DTF powder with ordinary DTF powder, comparing the peeling of two DTF powders under the same curing conditions. First, we use a common cocktail DTF film and heat press at 165 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Left side film using common DTF powder, and right side is Sublistar easy-to-peel powder. You can see that Sublistar's DTF powder can make the ordinary cold peel film achieve the effect of hot peeling, which means it can be peeled off the backing immediately after heat pressed without waiting. No cracks. Next, let's test the popular mechanical coating film. The one on the right is cured with Sublistar easy-to-peel DTF powder, and the left is ordinary DTF powder. For special coating DTF films, we recommend cold tearing. After waiting for a while, the film has cooled. Let's peel off the backing. You'll find the film using normal powder is more difficult to tear off, while the film using Sublistar easy-to-peel powder can be easily and smoothly peeled off. Finally, let's compare the effect of using it on special rainbow reflective DTF film. Press at 165 degrees for 15 seconds. And wait for cool peel. The left is cured with Sublistar easy-to-peel powder, and the right is using normal DTF powder. You can see Sublistar easy-to-peel powder can achieve good release, but ordinary DTF powder cannot be peeled off and damages the design. Sublistar easy-to-peel powder can be used on any DTF film. Soft to the touch, easy to melt, washable, and cost-effective. For further questions, please contact with Sublistar team.